Willow said she wants to go kayaking in the morning. So it's up to me to load up the truck with all the kayaking gear. And I thought maybe you'd like to watch. Here we go. Oops, you tracking me? Good. This is the boathouse behind me. It makes kayaking much, much simpler because we can keep everything in here and it's pretty easy to load up. So once I get the truck ready to go, then it's a matter of getting the boats out of the boathouse. Let me show you. Doors are open. You can see that the boats are down right now, but sometimes they're cranked up into the ceiling. But since we're using them pretty much weekly, I leave them cranked down. We just grab the boats, throw them on the truck. I'll show you tying them down tomorrow morning. That's pretty much what we do every time we go kayaking. This boathouse makes it so much simpler.